Yuda, why did you choose Belle over all other girls? Yan ang naging tanong ko kay Donnie at seryoso naman niyang sinagot. Sabi niya, I didn't, the universe did. I only thought it did a great job. But I chose her because her kindness, intelligence, and sense of humor truly captivate me. I deeply connect with on an emotional level. At dagdag pa ng aktor, she taught me what love means and she made me realize how it feels to be loved and valued. She's my happiness.